I'm Marianne Buller. I'm the Chancellor at the University of Victoria, but we're here today at Vancouver Island University to honour Chancellor Chloe, Chancellor Judith Sayers, with a talking stick. And it's a gift from the University of Victoria to Chancellor Sayers. It's a beautiful sculpture, and it's a real honor to be here as a witness and to, of course, be on this beautiful territory as a guest.
Aklama Klois, Hupacha Saksup, Nishanathat. My English name is Judith Sayers, and I am the Chancellor of this awesome institution, Vancouver Island University. And today I'm so my heart is filled with happiness and joy and pride, and so grateful to University of Victoria for bestowing this honor upon me of giving me this incredible piece of work, this talking stick that was carved by Bill Good. And he did incorporate into the talking stick all of the symbols that were important to me, that are part of my culture, from the thunderbird, the gray whale, the orca, the halibut, and the salmon. And, to me, it's a real powerful tool that I can use in my role here. So I'm ecstatic that such a gift was given to me and have the opportunity to be able to use it as I do my work here at this university.
So actually we're here today to really build the bond between our universities, and we're here to celebrate also Chancellor Judith Sayers.
Absolutely, and the bonds on the island are incredibly strong, and it's only right that we work together and also celebrate two amazing chancellors, and I look forward to the installation of your chancellor.
Thank you. Yeah, and I think today's all about reaffirming our relationship as well and seeing where we can strengthen it in teaching and learning, but also research and how we engage with the communities.